Welcome to our video on Charlie Munger, the Vice Chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and longtime business partner of Warren Buffett. In this video, we will be exploring some of the most insightful and memorable quotes from Munger, delving into the wisdom and advice he has shared throughout his successful career. From his thoughts on decision-making and human behavior, to his unique perspective on investing, we will be uncovering the valuable lessons that can be learned from one of the most respected figures in the business world. So sit back, relax and enjoy as we take a closer look at the wisdom of Charlie Munger. The big money is not in the buying and the selling, but in the waiting. People calculate too much and think too little. Those who keep learning will keep rising in life. If you keep learning all the time, you have a huge advantage. Like Warren, I had a considerable passion to get rich, not because I wanted Ferraris, I wanted independence. I desperately wanted it. The world is not driven by greed. It's driven by envy. All successful investment involves trying to get into something where it's worth more than you're paying. Over the long term, big companies of America behave more like biology than they do anything else. In biology, all the individuals die and so do all the species. It's just a question of time. And that's pretty well what happens in the economy too. If you want to succeed in investments, start early and try hard and keep doing it. All success comes that way, by and large. I think great investors to some extent are like great chess players. They're almost born to be investors. Good investing requires a weird combination of patience and aggression. And not many people have it. I have made bad business decisions. You can't live a successful life without doing some difficult things that go wrong. That's just the nature of the game. I think the management should tell it like it is at all times and not be a big promoter of its own stock. I didn't get rich by buying stocks at a high price-earnings multiple in the midst of crazy speculative booms, and I'm not going to change. Understanding both the power of compound return and the difficulty getting it is the heart and soul of understanding a lot of things. If you totally divorce economics from psychology, you've gone a long way toward divorcing it from reality. The great lesson in microeconomics is to discriminate between when technology is going to help you and when it's going to kill you. In conclusion, Charlie Munger's quotes have provided a wealth of knowledge and insight for business leaders and investors alike. His unique perspective on decision-making, human behavior, and investing has proven to be valuable for those looking to improve their own skills and understanding of the business world. We hope that this video has helped to shed light on some of the most thought-provoking and memorable quotes from Munger and has given you a deeper understanding of the wisdom and advice he has shared throughout his successful career. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this look into the mind of one of the most respected figures in the business world.